Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can add a document or form to your LoneWolf transaction. So we're going to first sign into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And while we're signed in, we do want to make sure that we are connected to LoneWolf. So we're going to go to our name in the top right corner, and we're going to click settings. In here, you will see that we are connected to LoneWolf, so we are good to go. If you are not connected to LoneWolf, I would encourage you to check out our tip video walking you through how to connect your LoneWolf. We'll walk you through how to do it and you can get it connected and then come back to this. So definitely recommend checking that out. It's available on our YouTube channel. But since our LoneWolf is connected, I'm going to go back over to our command home. And from here, we're going to go to our opportunities tab. So the opportunities are these two hands shaking right here. And we're going to go to this all opportunities tab just because it's easier for me personally to find it. If you find it easier to go through the individual pipelines, by all means, please do that. I'm going to switch over to the all opportunities tab just because I want to grab this opportunity and I knew exactly where it was. Now we're going to switch over to our documents tab and we're just going to click go to transact in the top right corner. We already have our LoneWolf transaction connected to our opportunity. Again, we have another tip video on that you can definitely check out if you are interested in that. Now from here, there are a couple different ways to add paperwork. So the first thing is we can click add paperwork in the top right corner. And here we can either select it directly from our form libraries, such as our Market Centers library, our NAR association, if you have your MLS board forms connected as well. Separately, you would be able to find those, real estate commission, any of those form libraries that you would need to add it from. Now we'll go in and we're just going to, you can search for the ones you want. So we can say listing agreement, we'll go with that one. We'll go ahead and we can just click add right here. So that will allow us to add the form. Now you'll notice that it goes into this not filed section. We can move it, so we can move it over to our listing folder here. If we just wanted to add it directly to the listing folder, we can click the three dots by the folder we need. And then we can just click add paperwork and we'll do the same process here. So that's just going to allow us to add it directly, or you can add it here and just drag and drop it down to whatever folder you need. We have other options as well. If we want to upload it manually, we can click these three dots and add paperwork or add it up in the top corner, either way. If we need to upload a form manually, we'll go to the upload tab. And you can upload up to 20 files at a time, and these are the supported file types right here. I'm not going to read through all of them, but PDFs are going to probably be the easiest ones, but there are other options as well if you need to upload that. So you're just going to go over to either browse files right here. It's going to pull up your file folder on your computer, or you can drag and drop it from your file folder over and then just click upload one file. And you'll see that it has uploaded. In this case, we added it from here, so it's not filed, and we can drag and drop it around if we need to do that as well. Now, our third and final option is to upload by email. So we can click this upload by email button right here, and it's going to give us an email that we can send it to. Now, this is a personalized email address to this specific transaction. So if we copy this email address right here, then we can send, again, any of these file types to this email address, and it's going to upload it into our paperwork tab. So that is how you're going to upload your forms and documents to your LoneWolf Transact. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always happy to help out. Hope you have a great day.